Life is like a mountain railway with an engineer that's brave. We must make that run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch the curves, heal the tunnels, do your duty, it will never fail. Keep your hand upon the throttle and your eye upon the rails. Blessed Savior, thou must guide us till we reach that blissful shore, where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore.
As you roll across the trestle, spanning Jordan's swelling tide, you behold the Union Depot, into which your trade will glide.
There you'll meet the superintendent, God the Father and God the Son, with a hearty, joyous calling, weary pilgrim, welcome home. Blessed Savior, thou must guide us until we reach that blissful shore, where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore. Where the angels wait to join us in thy praise